Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Alan G. White. God calls youth because they are strong. July 16th. Men of courage needed. I have written unto you, fathers, because ye have known him that is from the beginning. I have written unto you, young men, because ye are strong, and the word of God abideth in you, and ye have overcome the wicked one. 1 John chapter 2, verse 14. These words of approval and instructions are addressed to every young man who has put on the whole armor of righteousness. Young and strong, they may do giant strokes for God if they make God their only trust. The older ones, who are addressed as fathers, have a decided work to do in holding up the standard, but they feel the pressures of the burden of life, and it is fitting that the younger ones should be encouraged to qualify themselves for duty by obtaining an experience in the knowledge of Jesus Christ, so that as the standard falls from the fathers, the strong young men may grasp it and bear it aloft. There are many young men in this age who will search the scriptures as for hidden treasure, and have found jewels of truth, will open up the treasures of the word to the minds of others. Ye are strong comprehends more than mere physical strength. It means that the mind has been trained to think and has been kept clear and strong by the practice of strictly temperate habits. It means that the young men have engaged in earnestness and have overcome the enemy, connecting the religion of Jesus Christ with everyday life and bringing Christ into everyday duties and enjoyments. It means that they have become partakers of the divine nature. Youth who have given themselves to the service of God are in a position to fight manfully the battles of the Lord. Let the youth take Christ as their pattern, and they will do justly, love mercy, and walk humbly with their God. They will then be strong. Character will be tested. Day by day and year by year, we should conquer self and develop a noble heroism. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.